how to change Discord password if you forgot it. So if you've forgotten your Discord password and if you want to change it or if you want to reset it, then what you need to do is simply go for your browser, any browser that you're comfortable with. Go for the search bar and search for Discord. Once you've searched, go for the first search, which is discord.com. Go for open Discord, which is on the upper right. And here you need to click on login. And you need to log into your account, but you have forgotten your password, right? So if you want to reset or recover your password, then go for forgot your password, which is below the password. And now they have sent you the instructions to change your password on your email account. So you need to check your inbox. First, open up your Gmail, and here you will have your password reset for Discord, right? So click on reset password, and once you click on reset password, now you need to enter a new password, and then you can simply click on change password and your password will be changed. So that's how you can reset or recover your Discord password if you've forgotten it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.